Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Vivian from ThePaperLetterBlog. Welcome to a new collaboration video. Today, Brittany McCowan is doing my voiceover. So if you've been on my channel a little while longer, you may remember that I did a super fun collaboration with snail mail YouTuber Brittany McCowan a little while ago. We both did a tea party themed Happy Meal Flipbook something. If you haven't watched it yet, I will link the videos down below so you can go check that out. And now, a little while ago, Brittany messaged me asking if I would be interested in another fun challenge. This time we are doing each other's voiceovers. So the idea is simple. We both made a video without sound and then we watch it and we do the voiceover basically in one go, or at least that is the challenge. So I also did that for Brittany's video. It was really difficult to talk about something that I hadn't seen before. It's really a lot of improvising. Obviously, if you would like to check that out, I will also link Brittany's video down below so you can hear my voiceover of her video. And if you don't already, I really recommend you to go follow Brittany as well, because she also makes these really fun snail mail videos. She is actually one of the reasons why I started making these videos in the first place. So if you like my videos, definitely go check out hers, because they're really a lot of fun. So I am going to hand you over to Brittany. She will do the voiceover of my video. I really hope you enjoy this, and I will link Brittany's video down below if you want to check out the voiceover I did. So don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Let me know in the comments down below if you would like us to do more of these things, and I will see you again very soon. Oh, really quick side note, I have been crazy busy with work at the cat cafe. I did an update of that over on my vlog channel, but I do want to say that I really want to make videos every Monday and Friday, but I'm getting in a little bit of trouble here with work. So I'm going to see how I'm going to combine those two, but maybe some of the videos may be a little bit late. Okay, enjoy! Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Vivian from ThePaperLetterBlog, and today I'm going to be making a snail mail package. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pick a tea from the box of teas my pen pal sent me, and I'm going to pick this one because it is super adorable and has the cutest little bunny on the front. So congratulations if this is your letter, because I will be replying back to you. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to just put my tea into this beautiful glass teacup that I really want to buy. And we're going to make something out of this pretty paper. So we got some birds, some floral prints, I'm not sure what that other one was, and some pretty pink paper. So we're just cutting it down with our trusty cutter. And we're actually folding it in thirds, and then we're going to get this other piece of paper and we're going to be cutting it down to equally sit on the inside of the other piece of paper. Did that make any sense at all? I hope that made sense. Now we're putting the pink paper on this beautiful spirally thing, and we're actually going to cut circles out of what I assume is going to be our flip book. So we're going to cut a small circle here and a large circle here, because we're probably going to do something with that circle. Maybe we can see through it, or maybe we're going to put some colourful paper behind it. Yep. So first, oh no, we're going to get see-through paper. So first just grab some see-through paper, and I'm pretty sure I'm about to make a shaker pocket. I'm not 100% sure here, but glue those around the circles you've just cut out. Pop a whole bunch of double-sided tape around the circles so that it is all nice and sticky. And then once you do that, grab your sequins and put some beautiful colours in. Lots of pastel colours to match our pastel-y theme today. Lots of pinks, greens and blues. And then I'm guessing we're going to peel off that double-sided tape and stick something on the back so the sequins stay in.
So we're just peeling it off and sticking down a beautiful bird print. Sorry, there's a delay there. And you can see all the sequins there. So you can see through the page to these beautiful sequins. Very, very cute. Good idea. So now we're going to stick on our other squares that we've cut out, or rectangles. I'm not 100% sure what they are. I'm pretty sure they're squares. And we're going to trim it down, glue it on so the back of the flip book isn't plain white. We're going to trim that down, and then we're going to trim it down a little bit again. Make sure it all evens up with a bit more trimming, and then glue our last one down. And I'm getting really bored of commentating, but you guys pretty much can understand what I'm doing by seeing what I'm doing. We're rounding off the edges with this rounder tool, and then I'm guessing that we're going to start decorating. So we're going to start decorating and add lots of goodies inside. So now that we've actually created this adorable little flip book, I actually wanted to talk about Christmas. Is anyone else getting super excited for Christmas? Some of the flowers around the area actually smell like Christmas. I don't know if you guys have the same thing in your hometowns, but do you know how there's certain things that come out in the season when you know it's leading up to Christmas? So in Australia, Christmas is obviously in summer, so when certain plants start coming out, you know that it's getting close to Christmas. And another thing is that when the bindies come out, you know it's getting close to Christmas, because you know it's obviously getting close to summer. And my entire backyard is covered in bindies. So oh, and if you don't know what bindies are, they're like the prickly things that if you step on, they really, really hurt and they stab into your foot. So I have been avoiding them, and it just sort of reminds me of Christmas, and I'm getting really, really excited for it. So now we're just collaging in the middle bit, and we're going to cut up some music paper, and we're going to collage all around it. So we're going to stick that down, and then we're going to stick on our little tag and a little flower, and then we're going to put, oh, we're out of frame. I don't know what we're doing actually. We're putting on double-sided tape. These are some nice scissors, aren't they? We got a good shot of the scissors on the side there. Good close up. Very, very close. I can't really, oh, there we go. Okay, we can see what we're doing now. So we're actually putting on some, what are they? What does that say? Too fast, too fast. Not all who wander are lost. Ah, I think that's Alice in Wonderland. I'm pretty sure that's Alice in Wonderland. Let me know in Vivian's comments if that is Alice in Wonderland. Are you guys loving my rambling? I thought I'm doing a very good job at commentating this beautiful snail mail for you today. So we're just getting the texture and drawing around a little border. And then we're going to cut some more paper, because we're probably going to add either a pocket, or yes, we're going to be adding in a little pocket. So I actually really like this technique. I haven't done this personally myself, but it's really nice because it allows you to easily pull out the little goodies that you put into the pocket if you put these little edges on. So basically you're just creating like a little fold around the edges, and then making sure you cut off the corner so it nicely folds in. And then when you put goodies inside, it's actually really easy for the person to pull the goodies in and out, because when I've done it, I usually just glue around the edges, and then if you put anything inside, it's actually quite difficult to pull things out, and it actually makes the pocket a lot smaller than you think. So when you think you can actually fit things inside, you can't. So this little pocket is actually going to have our letter inside, and because we're staying on this really cutesy pastel theme, we are going to be putting more pastel die cuts. Lots of florals in this one, a bit of washi tape, a little bit of gold washi tape, very pretty, and a little birdie on the top, and a butterfly. Oh, and there's our circles. So now that we're just collaging, and I don't really need to explain how to collage, I'm sure you guys all have your own unique style, I actually wanted to talk to you guys about the snail mail community, and I really wanted to know how many of you watch both mine and Vivian's channels, and I'd also love to know if this was something that you sort of stumbled across, or if someone told you about it, or if you were always into pen pal writing and then you sort of searched up who else does it or who does tutorials online. Personally, I don't follow a lot of people on YouTube. I only really have 2 other people that I actually follow, and then I used to watch Jordan Clark's videos. She was actually the one who actually got me into snail mail, like creating these videos. I watched, I think, one of her videos, like how to make a pen pal letter or something, and then I thought that was a really cool idea. I really love crafting. I've been a person who really likes crafting. Like, I used to craft all the time when I was younger, and I actually didn't know how much I craft when I was younger, because I've only recently gone back home and gone through my old scrapbooks, and I realized I created a scrapbook nearly every year of my high schooling life. So I had, how many years is that? So year 7, 8, 9, 10, wait, year 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the 6 years I was in high school, I have about 6 scrapbooks, and they're full of photos of me and my friends doing quirky things, like journal entries, little art, like sketches and things like that. Like, I was actually a very creative kid, and I never thought of myself as someone who was quite creative in terms of like paper crafts, because I knew I loved making little scrapbooks and I wanted to document my high school years, but I didn't actually see myself as someone who was like a crafty person. Me and my sister used to collect crafts, and my sister was more crafty than me, and I sort of just was, because I was the youngest in my family, so I sort of just pick up the things that my sisters liked. And then when I created this channel and I realized that it was a huge community, I just kept making more and more, and then that's when I opened my PO box and realized that people actually really wanted to send me letters, and I really wanted to communicate with you guys on a really creative way. So it was a great way of talking to you guys and getting to know you, or at least the people on my channel. I don't know how many of you actually follow my channel. But yeah, I really loved it when I started, and then it just started exploding and people really loved it, and I have around about 1,000 people watch each video upload that's snail mail related every week, and then if it trends it sometimes gets a bit more, but there's usually around 1,000 people who watch my videos each week. So I thought that's really cool, and I really think it's awesome that I found Vivian as a, I would say, a friend. We communicate quite often on Instagram. Well, not quite often, but every now and then. It's really nice to have someone who does something really similar to you. So yeah, I think Vivian's doing an amazing job, and I think she created a beautiful flipbook today. So that is the video for today. That's about everything. So you can recreate this easily at home, because it was very simple, this one, which was good because it was very easy to commentate. I hope you enjoyed my voiceover today, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!